This is Rock of Dome, not Aqsa Mosque. This is the real Aqsa Mosque. Why every time when media talks about Al-Aqsa, they showed this picture. You know why they show you this? Because Israel wants to destroy real Aqsa Mosque silently, and will show you the picture of Rock of Dome saying Al-Aqsa is safe, like nothing happened here. And after this activity they will build the third temple. Jews believes third temple should be built to establish the condition of Messianic age. Now, what is Messianic age? It is said by Jews and Zionists that there is a period of time will come in which their awaited Messiah will come and he will unite the whole world. Israel is doing this for their awaited Messiah. In Christianity they say him, the Antichrist, and in Islam we say him, the Dajjal. You see this open area? It is called Al-Aqsa compound. There are 5 important places here. First, Masjid Al-Qibli. Second, Dome of the Rock. Third, Masjid Al-Buraq. Fourth, Musalla Marwani. And fifth, minarets. This is the real Aqsa Mosque. Spread this truth so that every Muslim will know which one is real Aqsa Mosque.